Hello, Soul Tribe. Welcome to Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your certified international life coach and tarot and oracle card reader. So, if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, or coaching, kindly go to my website, www.anasantiago.coach. And please do follow me on all my social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook page, and TikTok, and also here in YouTube. Hello, Soul Tribe! Welcome back to my channel, Soul Tribe PH. It's me, Anna, your love and relationship mentor, intuitive life coach, and a tarot and oracle card reader. So for this particular video, let's have your monthly zodiac sign reading for the month of September. This is for my dear Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Ascendant, Venus. For those who haven't generated their natal birth chart, I suggest you generate yours. Kindly go to the description section. I got there a link that can help you generate yung natal birth chart mo. I just need your date of birth, time of birth, and also the exact location where you were born. And if you happen to have Leo as your rising/ascendant sign, might be this is your reading or this is your reading. Kasi based on an article na nabasa ko, it's best for us to look into our rising/ascendant sign for accurate readings. So if you had came from TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook page, yung teaser. So this particular video will be focusing on the in-depth reading of your monthly zodiac sign for the month of September. So without further ado, let's proceed on getting to know the angel number that might be you had been seeing recently, my dear Leos. Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the angel number for my dear Leo. So we had number 2. Oh, sorry. Where's the 2? Number 2, 9, 4, and 9. So kindly go to Google search engine, search angel number 2949. Might be there is a certain message for you with this particular angel number, my dear Leo. And you might be seeing a lot of 22, 222, 99, 999, 44, 444, and kanina yung lumitaw which is 12. Maaring the reason why yung una kong nakitang number is 12. Might be you had been seeing a lot of 12, 12, 111, 11, 11, 11, and that's it. So I am seeing, and 10, 10. Actually, might be 10, 10 is also applicable. Okay, so those are the certain angel number that maaring lagi mo nakikita, my dear Leos. It's a certain sign or a confirmation that you are on the right path and you had been, kumbaga parang transcending the certain obstacles or challenges that you needed to overcome. Okay, so let's proceed on getting to know your general theme for the month of September. My dear Leo, what will be the general focus or general theme? So we have here the Scorpio energy. When we say Scorpio energy, this energy is intense, masterful, thoughtful, and magnetically charming, but also secretive and possessive. So for this particular month, my dear Leo, be mindful of who you speak, your certain plans and actions, kasi maaring ma-evil eye. You might be getting evil eye from certain people around you, and this is a time for you to be secretive. So not everything that you are planning you had to disclose. And kung i-share mo man yung mga plans mo with other people, make sure that those certain individual has the best interest for you. And with the Scorpio, kasi Scorpio, it's represented by the Death card in the tarot card, which is transformation. So might be this is your period. This particular month is your transitioning period or yung month of transformation. Might be this is the last cycle, the last particular month that you are going to transcend to a new beginning or a new opportunity. Might be that is a certain message for someone. So transformation, you are encountering changes for the better. Kasi remember, for you to be able to welcome change, the change that you want should start within you. So para mangyari itong mga changes na ito, you had to embrace the challenges, the changes, and you had to welcome them. Kasi if you're just going to resist, you're just going to delay, procrastinate, lalo ka lang magiging stagnant or lalo ka lang magiging stuck in a certain loop or cycle. So that is the general theme of your life for the month of September. So let's see what is your current energy. What is the current energy of my dear Leos for this particular month. What is your current energy? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, current energies of my dear Leos, please. Current energies, Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the current energies of my dear Leos. What is the current energies of my dear Leos? Okay, so currently, you are head-on, you are focused, you are kumbaga parang moving forward in life. So, might be recently, naging stuck ka, you feel that there is no progress, you are waiting for certain decisions and actions, kaya nagkaroon ka ng stagnancy. Now, currently, you had recently decided that it's time for you to move forward or focus on your goals. Focus on the things that needs your attention. Kasi, as I've said, maaring for some of you, you had been focusing on things that didn't go your way, kumbaga parang the what ifs, getting too attached to the particular idea of the outcome, and that is the reason why you had been stagnant or you had been stuck. So now you are now getting that certain urge to move forward. So life goes on. So yun na yung energy mo. You are now setting the goals, setting the intention on what you wanted to focus on to achieve in the next succeeding days, weeks, or months. What will be the obstacle that you are going to encounter, you will be encountering or needing to overcome? So, kumbaga parang impulsiveness. So, even though this is the Knight of Swords, so before you make a decision or action, you had to be strategic. You had to, kumbaga parang contemplate on certain things. Huwag kang maging impulsive in making certain decisions and actions. And also, it's time for you to communicate. With the Knight of Swords, it's also communication. You need to speak up. You need to be clear. Set the intentions and the goals on what you wanted to manifest into your reality. Kasi you're the creator of your reality, my dear Leos. Kailangan mo maging clear sa kung ano man yung gusto mo mangyari. Hindi lang basta tayo move forward lang tayo ng move forward nang wala tayong direction. So you need to be strategic. You need to be planning certain things. And also, don't make decision based on your emotions. So, wag kang magdesisyon when you're angry, when you're frustrated, when you're lonely. Kasi might be you're going to end up regretting it at the end. So, what will be the possible outcome, near future for my dear Leos? What will be the near future? What will be the possible outcome? What is the energies coming their way for this month? What is the energies coming their way? What are the outcome for my dear Leos? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors. So, you will be transcending to calmer water. So, you are transitioning. As I've said earlier with the Scorpio, kasi I'm being guided or I'm channeling on the card of the Death card, which is transformation. Maaaring may kailangan kang i-end for you to welcome new beginnings, for you to welcome new energies, new opportunity, new relationship, new connection. You need to leave the old to welcome the new. And what you're currently are experiencing, my dear Leo, is what is kailangan mo ma-experience. This is what is the certain ano ba yan? I'm having a hard time. So that is the reason why you need to be clear, my dear Leo. So these are the certain obstacles and challenges that you needed to overcome. So kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo, my dear Leo, you are meant to experience it for you to transcend to calmer waters. So walang shortcut. There is no shortcut with what you're currently experiencing. Kaya wag kang magmadali. Don't rush into certain things with the Chariot here. You need to be strategic. You need to set your intentions and your goals on what you wanted to manifest into your reality. Kasi the important thing, my dear Leo, is not the outcome. It's not the relationship. It's not the money. It's not the future. It's not the opportunity. It's the process or the journey to get there. Okay? So for the meantime, be secretive. Don't overshare with your plans and actions, kasi sometimes the more that you overshare, lalong na-jinx, lalong na-evil eye. So be mindful on what you share on your social media that is being guided to you. Kasi yung mga eyes, if you see the eyes, is very sneaky. It's very, ayan. So very creepy. So some, might be some people has not have the best interest for you. Hindi lahat ng mga tao sa paligid mo, that people you know, has the best interest with your certain endeavors. So let's see what is the current energy of your career. What is the current energy of your career, my dear Leo? What is the current energy of your career? Angel, Spirit, Universe, career, finances, and business life, work life. So currently, with the Seven of Swords, sneaky. So might be, kumbaga, you cannot see through things as of the moment. So may mga ininvest ka and you are not seeing things clearly. Wala kang nakikitang progress, wala kang nakikitang growth. Para feeling mo you are getting betrayed kasi you had put all your efforts in certain things and you are not seeing any progress, any growth from that certain opportunity. So feel mo you are being deceived, being betrayed by people around you kasi nga hindi mo nakukuha yung reciprocation of the efforts, time, energy that you are giving in your career and your finances. And might be this is also a time for you to be sneaky when it comes to your endeavors. As I've said with the Scorpio energy, don't overshare, don't give too much of your time, love, and effort or energy to people around you. Kasi sometimes we tend to overgive to the extent that we are losing ourselves along the process and we are expecting other people or circumstances na ibalik sa atin yun. Where in reality, it's not the obligation of your company, of people around you to value you, to respect you. It's your obligation to yourself. So what you will be getting from those certain opportunity, situation, people around you, it's only an additional. It's not the certain measurement of your value and your worth as a certain individual. So for you to prevent yourself from getting deceived, getting betrayed, yung kumbaga parang getting disappointed, so it's time for you to don't have certain expectation kasi kumbaga make your expectation neutral, so based on kung ano man yung nakikita mong potential on the certain opportunity. Huwag kang mag-over-expect, over-give in certain situation kasi sometimes you'll end up getting disappointed, unfulfilled, and unsatisfied. So, don't rush into things. So, another energy with the Chariot, don't rush into things. Kasi the more that you're rushing into things and expecting the returns from the efforts that you are making in a certain opportunity business, lalo ka naman di-disappoint kasi you have certain expectation that wasn't meant. So, what will be the outcome? What will be the energies that you will be anticipating when it comes to your career, your finances, your business life, your work life? So, there would be an abundant cycle with the Empress. You are giving birth to new opportunities. May paparating na mga new beginnings. Pero, for this certain new opportunities to give birth or lumitaw, dumating, for you to attract them, you need to be patient and trust the process. So, kailangan mong pagdaanan kung ano man yung pinagdadaanan mo. You need to experience deceit, betrayal, or stagnancy when it comes to your business so that you will be able to appreciate kung ano man yung paparating sa'yo. So, it's like having a baby. So, for those ladies, alam na nagbuntis na, alam niyo yung feeling na you are excited of this certain being inside of you that you had been carrying for the past 9 months. Same thing in what we are anticipating in life. If you had invested time, effort, energy in a certain project and you are not seeing movement or outcome from it, hindi ganun kadali. So it takes time. Same thing in putting up a business. In putting up a business, hindi mo agad nakikita yung returns na yung kumbaga return of investment, lalo na if you had construction. So usually you will get the returns from what you had spent for the construction, probably 3 to 5 years ang return of investment. So, you had to be patient, have faith that everything will be working out. It might not be the same way that you are anticipating it, but it will be working out in God's plan or based on God's timing. So, you had to be patient, trust the process, surrender, let go of wanting to know the when and the how, focus on the why, focus on the now, focus on what you needed to do as of the moment. Kasi the more that you are getting too attached, getting too fixated to the idea of the outcome, the future, the money, the position, the fame, the more that you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied. So let's see what is the current energy of your relationship or your love life. When we say relationship and love life, it regardless if you're single, if you're a certain connection, twin flame, soulmate, boyfriend, girlfriend, husband, or wife, it doesn't matter. Kasi when we say readings of relationship, the relationship that you have with yourself is a reflection of how you're going to receive it from other people around you. So let's see what is your current energy of your relationship or your love life, my dear Leos. What is your current energy? Current energy of your relationship, your love life for the moment, as of the moment. What is your current energy? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, current energy of my dear Leo's love life. So, the Moon, same energies with the Swords, Seven of Swords. You might feel like you don't see things clearly as of the moment. There are a lot of lies, illusions na hindi mo makita, you cannot see pass through sa kung ano man yung nangyayari. So, remember, everything happens for a reason. Nothing is a coincidence. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So, if you had experienced a breakup, separation, turmoil, challenges, third-party interference, those certain events or situation are meant for you to experience. Kailangan nyo siyang pagdaanan. It's part of the journey, the obstacles that you needed to transcend when it comes to your relationship or connection. So, this is a time for you to keep your head above water by focusing on the now, focusing on what you needed to do. Don't get too far ahead in the future. Don't get too attached in the idea of the outcome of the relationship, of when will it happen, how will it happen. Focus on the now. Kasi the more that you are too fixated on the idea of the outcome, you'll end up unfulfilled and unsatisfied if it didn't happen based on how you are anticipating it. So, what will be the near future? Ayun. So, the reason why you are getting heartbroken, getting devastated, getting unfulfilled, unsatisfied, and impatient with regards to the certain process. So, dahil your judgment is clouded, you feel pain, you feel kumbaga, you feel neglected. So, you are getting triggered by the certain situation. So, the reason why that is happening for you to address what are the certain pain, traumas, and issues that you needed to address. So, that is a clarification of that. So, I was asking for the outcome. Yun yung lumabas. So, what will be the possible future outcome of the relationship of my dear Leo? What are the energies that they will be welcoming? So, Two of Wands. So, look on the horizon. So, might be for some of you, you are getting too fixated on the idea of the outcome. Focus on the now. Focus on strategizing. Prepare yourself on what you wanted to manifest in your reality. Kasi you're the creator of your reality, my dear Leo. You had to be specific, strategize, be intentional on what you wanted to happen in your reality. For example, if you want to have a healthy, loving, committed relationship with someone, you need to have a healthy, loving, committed relationship with yourself first. Prepare yourself, embody the traits, characteristic of certain individuals that you wanted to end up with. Kasi you are your first soulmate. The love that you're looking for is found within you by the way that you will be loving yourself, valuing yourself, and respecting yourself. And the happiness that you're seeking is also found within you. You had to be grateful, thankful, contented of who you are, what you are, and what you currently have. And might be you are dealing with someone from a distance. So, mid-distance, kaya you are wondering how will it happen, when will it happen. You're looking on the horizon kung paano mangyayari mga bagay-bagay. So, it's not for you to know, it's for you to find out by diving deep within yourself. Ano ba yung gusto mong mangyari when it comes to your relationship? So, that is the energy of your relationship. So, let's see what is the oracle guidance for you, my dear Leo. What is the oracle guidance for my dear Leo? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, oracle guidance for my dear Leo, please. Oracle guidance for my dear Leo. Oracle guidance for my dear Leo. So we have here the Holy Spirit, expect miracles. Remember that only love is real. Miracles will occur naturally. Spirit has your back. So it's time for you to trust the universe, trust the process. Everything that you're encountering, again, my dear Leo, is meant for you to experience. It's either a blessing or a lesson for you to learn. So it's part of the certain journey or certain things that you needed to overcome, needed to transcend this particular month. Then we have here Melchizedek, higher learning. You have learned from experience. More inner study is now required to further progress. So same thing again. There are lessons for you to learn. So everything that you're experiencing, my dear Leo, it's meant for you to experience, for you to learn the lesson that is provided by certain things in your life or situations. So what are the messages coming from your spirit guides? What is the messages? So we have here Ladybug. This is a time of good fortune and abundance. So be willing to receive all good things in your life. So be open and ready for the different possibilities on the horizon. Kasi with the Empress, there is an abundant opportunity or future for you. Pero you had to be patient and trust the process. Kasi the important thing, my dear Leo, is not the outcome, it's not the relationship, it's not the money, it's not the future, but the important thing is the now. Whatever the actions and decisions that you are making now will be benefiting you in future. So another message. So we have here the boar or pig. Face your problems head-on with confidence and courage, and you will emerge victorious. So it's time for you to focus on the now. Don't run away from your problem. Instead of focusing on the problem, find solutions to overcome the certain obstacles and challenges. And for you to be able to do that, my dear Leo, kailangan mo muna mag-step back for you to see the bigger picture on why things are currently happening in your career, your finances, and your love life. So let's get you your angel messages, my dear Leo. What is the angel messages for my dear Leo? Angel, Spirit, Universe, Ancestors, kindly give me the overall messages. So we have here number 7. I am brilliant. You possess a very refined mind and a deep urge to uncover life's mysteries. Your ability to acquire vast knowledge on both the informational and spiritual planes gives you a greater awareness than most. So know that you are brilliant. Sometimes you seek the answers from people around you and circumstances wherein the answers that you are seeking, my dear Leo, is found within you. Para mo malaman kung ano yung mga kasagutan, find time to be alone, step back, for you to reassess on certain things in your reality. So let's see what is the affirmation. So I am elevating my vibration and rising in love. So you are elevating, my dear Leo. So for you to elevate in love, positive mindset, you had to, kumbaga parang be positive. You keep a positive mindset on certain things. Don't focus on the negativity, fear, doubts, and anxieties. So this is what I got for you, my dear Leo. If this happened to resonate with your situation, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to get notified of my latest updates here in my channel. And if you want to avail my services, tarot reading, coaching program, kindly go to the description section for the details on how to avail my services, or you may go to my website www.anasantiago.coach. This is what I got for you. Sending you much love and light. Bye-bye!